Welcome back to the channel where we explore practical ways to improve your farm's productivity. Today, we're talking about something simple yet incredibly effective: charcoal in poultry farming. You might think of charcoal as just fuel for cooking, but it's actually a powerful tool for keeping your flock healthy and your farm efficient. In this video, we'll discuss why charcoal works so well, the incredible benefits it brings to your bird's health. We'll also discuss how you can start using it on your farm later in this video. This is a natural solution every farmer should know about. Stick around to learn how charcoal can transform your poultry farming practices. When using charcoal in poultry farming, it's crucial to select the right type to ensure the safety and well-being of your birds. Not all charcoal is suitable for agricultural use. Avoid using charcoal from treated or painted wood, as these may contain harmful chemicals or toxins that can harm your birds instead of benefiting them. The best option is natural, untreated wood charcoal or activated charcoal specifically made for agricultural or medicinal purposes. Activated charcoal is highly effective due to its porous structure, which enhances its ability to absorb toxins and impurities. Always ensure that the charcoal is finely ground to make it easy for the birds to consume and to improve its effectiveness when mixed into feed, water, or litter. Using the wrong type of charcoal can lead to health issues, so it's essential to source high-quality, safe charcoal from reliable suppliers. If in doubt, consult with a veterinarian or an agricultural expert to confirm that the charcoal you are using is safe and appropriate for your poultry. Prioritizing quality ensures you reap the benefits of charcoal without unintended consequences for your flock. Charcoal is a versatile and natural solution that offers numerous benefits in poultry farming, contributing to healthier, more productive flocks while being cost-effective. One of its primary advantages lies in its ability to significantly improve digestion in poultry. In any poultry farming setup, digestion is key to the bird's overall health and productivity. Poor digestion often leads to issues such as nutrient wastage, slow growth rates, and increased vulnerability to diseases. Charcoal addresses these challenges by absorbing toxins, gases, and impurities in the digestive tract. This absorption process neutralizes harmful substances that could otherwise interfere with the bird's ability to process nutrients effectively. For instance, when poultry consumes feed, there's always a risk of contamination or the presence of harmful bacteria in their gut. These pathogens can produce gases and toxins, leading to bloating, discomfort, and an overall decline in health. By introducing small amounts of charcoal into their feed or water, these toxins are bound and neutralized, ensuring the digestive system operates efficiently. Better digestion doesn't just mean healthier birds, it also translates to higher feed efficiency. The birds extract maximum nutrition from their feed, reducing wastage and ensuring that every grain of feed contributes to their growth and productivity. This becomes particularly important in commercial poultry operations, where the cost of feed is a major expense. In addition to improving digestion, charcoal's ability to detoxify the body makes it an invaluable tool in poultry farming. Poultry is often exposed to toxins from various sources, especially through feed. Contaminated feed, particularly grains and other raw materials, can contain aflatoxins, dangerous compounds produced by molds. If left unchecked, these toxins can lead to poor health, reduced productivity, and even death in severe cases. Charcoal acts as a natural binder for these harmful substances. When ingested, it traps toxins like aflatoxins and other chemical residues in the gastrointestinal tract, preventing them from being absorbed into the bloodstream. This not only reduces the risk of poisoning, but also minimizes the long-term effects of toxin exposure, such as liver damage and suppressed immunity. By incorporating charcoal into the bird's diet, farmers create a proactive defense against potential contamination. For example, in regions where grain storage conditions are less than ideal, the risk of mold growth and aflatoxin contamination increases significantly. Adding charcoal to the feed in such cases ensures that the birds remain protected, even if the feed isn't completely toxin-free. Furthermore, detoxification helps maintain overall health and stability in the flock. Birds that are free from toxins are less likely to experience stress-related issues, making them more resilient to diseases. This is particularly crucial in commercial poultry operations where the health of the flock directly impacts profitability. One of the most remarkable benefits of charcoal in poultry farming is its ability to enhance the birds' immune systems. Disease prevention is a top priority for every poultry farmer, as infections can spread rapidly in flocks and lead to devastating losses. Charcoal serves as a natural safeguard, reducing the need for excessive antibiotics while promoting healthier, more resilient birds. The antibacterial properties of charcoal come into play here. Charcoal has the ability to absorb harmful bacteria, which are common culprits of diseases in poultry. These bacteria thrive in the gut and can lead to severe infections if left unchecked. By binding to and neutralizing these pathogens, charcoal reduces the bacterial load in the digestive system, creating a healthier gut environment. A healthy gut is the foundation of a strong immune system. When harmful bacteria are minimized, the birds' bodies can focus on utilizing nutrients more effectively for growth and overall well-being rather than fighting off infections. This leads to stronger immune responses and less susceptibility to common diseases, such as coccidiosis or bacterial enteritis. Additionally, the detoxification benefits of charcoal indirectly support immunity. Toxins in the body can weaken a bird's natural defenses, leaving them vulnerable to infections. By regularly incorporating charcoal into their diet, farmers ensure their birds remain free of harmful residues that can compromise their health over time. Charcoal also has an added advantage in reducing the dependency on antibiotics. With growing concerns about antibiotic resistance and consumer demand for healthier organic poultry products, farmers are increasingly seeking natural alternatives to maintain flock health. Charcoal fits this role perfectly, acting as a preventative measure against infections without contributing to antibiotic resistance. Charcoal plays a crucial role in optimizing growth rates in poultry, a benefit that directly translates into higher profitability for farmers. By improving nutrient absorption and overall gut health, charcoal ensures that birds make the most out of the feed they consume. This leads to healthier, faster-growing birds while reducing feed waste, a win-win for farmers. In poultry farming, feed constitutes the largest expense, often making up over 60 to 70% of operational costs. Therefore, anything that improves feed efficiency can significantly boost profitability. Moreover, charcoal helps maintain a balanced gut microbiome. A stable gut environment promotes the proliferation of beneficial bacteria while suppressing harmful ones. This balance enhances digestion and ensures that essential nutrients, such as proteins, vitamins, and minerals, are fully absorbed. As a result, birds grow at a healthier and faster rate, reaching market weight more quickly. For meat-producing birds, such as broilers, this improvement in growth rate can reduce the time it takes to achieve desired weights, enabling farmers to turn over flocks more frequently. For egg-laying birds, such as layers or dual-purpose breeds, better nutrient absorption translates into improved egg production and quality. In addition to enhancing growth, charcoal reduces overall feed consumption. Since birds are utilizing feed more effectively, farmers may notice a slight reduction in the amount of feed required to maintain healthy birds. This efficiency lowers feed costs over time, contributing to the farm's financial sustainability. Another often overlooked cost-saving aspect of charcoal is its impact on disease management. Healthier birds require fewer medications and veterinary interventions, saving farmers money on treatments. The reduction in disease outbreaks also minimizes losses due to mortality, further improving profitability. Charcoal's benefits extend beyond the health and growth of poultry. It also has a significant impact on maintaining a clean, odor-free, and parasite-free environment on the farm. This aspect is particularly important for farmers managing large flocks, as poor hygiene and waste management can lead to serious health and operational challenges. One of charcoal's most valuable contributions is its ability to neutralize ammonia and other harmful gases produced by poultry droppings. Ammonia buildup is a common problem in coops, especially in deep litter systems, and it poses serious risks to both the birds and the farmer. Prolonged exposure to high ammonia levels can irritate the birds' respiratory systems, lower immunity, and lead to diseases like chronic respiratory disease. Charcoal, when added to litter or feed, binds to ammonia molecules, significantly reducing its concentration in the air. This creates a more comfortable and safer environment for both birds and workers. Additionally, charcoal helps control parasites by absorbing moisture from the litter. Damp conditions often provide the perfect breeding ground for parasites and harmful bacteria. By keeping the litter dry, charcoal minimizes the risk of infestations from worms, mites, and other pests. As a natural dewormer when consumed, it further complements this effect by reducing internal parasites, breaking the cycle of reinfestation, and keeping the flock healthier. From an environmental standpoint, using charcoal in poultry farming also addresses waste management. Droppings from birds fed with charcoal are less odorous and can be composted more effectively. The resulting manure is nutrient-rich and safer for use as fertilizer, free from the high ammonia levels and pathogens that can harm crops. This creates an opportunity for farmers to turn waste into a valuable byproduct that can either be used for their farms or sold for additional income. To fully leverage the benefits of charcoal in poultry farming, there are several practical and effective ways to incorporate it into your daily operations. One approach is using charcoal as a feed additive by mixing finely powdered charcoal into poultry feed at a ratio of 1 to 2%. This not only improves digestion and detoxifies the gut, but also boosts the immunity of your birds. It's important to maintain the recommended ratio to ensure a balanced diet for your flock. Charcoal can also be introduced through drinking water. Adding small quantities of activated charcoal to the water supports detoxification and provides your birds with clean, toxin-free hydration. Make sure the mixture is well diluted to prevent any clogging in the waterers and to ensure the birds consume it easily. Another highly effective application is in litter management. By sprinkling crushed or powdered charcoal over the poultry litter, you can absorb excess moisture, neutralize unpleasant odors, and reduce ammonia levels in the coop. This creates a healthier environment for your birds and minimizes the risk of disease by discouraging the growth of harmful pathogens and parasites. For situations where birds show signs of poisoning or diarrhea, charcoal can serve as a direct remedy. Mixing a small amount of activated charcoal with water and administering it to the sick bird helps counteract toxins and soothe digestive issues. However, it's always advisable to consult with the veterinarian for the appropriate dosage and care based on the bird's specific condition. Charcoal can also enhance the composting process of poultry droppings. By mixing it into the manure during composting, you can reduce odors, retain essential nutrients, and produce higher quality fertilizer for your farm. This not only benefits your flock, but also contributes to sustainable farming practices. Incorporating charcoal into your poultry farming practices is a simple yet powerful way to improve the health and productivity of your flock. From aiding digestion and detoxifying harmful substances to boosting immunity and enhancing growth, charcoal is a natural solution that delivers incredible results. And the best part? It's cost-effective and easy to use. Now it's your turn to take action. Start small. Try adding charcoal to your flock's feed or water and watch the difference it makes. If you've already used charcoal on your farm, share your experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear your insights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other farmers who might benefit from these tips. Together, let's grow smarter and healthier poultry farms. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep striving for success.